Welcome Junior Tikkies, I am Miss Kutsi and I'm here to tell you today about how we can use microorganisms to our advantage. We have looked at the harmful microorganisms and where they start a disease, so let's have a look at the importance of microorganisms in our ecosystem. So firstly, microorganisms are known as decomposers. They break down dead plant and animal tissues. The reason for this is they then help return nutrients back into the soil. So they recycle nutrients back into the soil, which helps make soil fertile. Then secondly, we have something called as nitrogen fixating bacteria. So these bacteria will remove nitrogen products from the air and convert it into nitrogen compounds, which a plant cannot do on their own. And this is an important product for proteins. The plant will then use the nitrogen compounds for growth. These bacteria are found in the nodule of leguminous plants, which I will show you shortly. So these bacteria live in symbiosis with the plant, as they will provide nitrogen compounds to the plant and in return will receive glucose from that plant as they are living in symbiosis with one another. So here are a few examples of legumes. So it's our green leaf plant, it's our pea plant and also our lentil plant. So in your left hand corner you will have a green bean plant, and if we zoom into the roots you will see the nodules. So the nodules of little growths found on the roots of the plant, and that's where I find these bacteria. Then we also have an economical importance. So where we make use of yeast, which is a microorganism, in the production of some food products like bread, beer, yogurt and even cheese. So it helps us to rise or to make bread rise as it produces carbon dioxide. We then also use it in traditional African beers, I hope I'm saying it correctly, komboti, and then also the amazing amazi. And then also, very, very important, for the production of medicine like antibiotics. It is very important to remember that Alexander Fleming discovered a variety of antibiotics, especially penicillin. So penicillin is produced by fungi and it is used for the treatment of bacterial infections only. So let's then have a look at the importance of antibiotics and why it is important to complete the prescribed course of antibiotics. So it's always very, very, very important that antibiotics can simply only be used for bacterial infections and nothing else. So firstly, you need to remember that you need to complete the prescribed course of the antibiotics. Our mistake is that as soon as we start to feel better, as the patient, we stop taking our antibiotics. And this does then not kill all the bacteria. The bacteria that's left to survive then creates a super bacteria. As it mutated, it changed its genetic information, becoming resistant against the antibiotics. And then we cannot kill this disease anymore. We don't have a cure for this disease anymore, and this may result in death. And this bacteria can then be transferred from the one organism to the next, which makes it extremely, extremely dangerous. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my videos. This is your biology section for grade 8, and good luck for your exam.